Imagine a world where the faintest noise could spell your doom. Welcome to A Quiet Place, Day 1, the prequel that takes us back to the terrifying origins of the silent apocalypse. The film begins with an ordinary day in the city. Life is bustling. People are going about their routines, unaware that everything is about to change. We see the world as it was before the invasion, a stark contrast to the desolate silence we're familiar with from the previous films. But in a matter of hours, this normalcy is shattered. What lands on Earth isn't just debris. From the smoke and fire, they emerge. Creatures unlike anything humanity has ever seen. They're fast, relentless, and they hunt by sound. In the blink of an eye, the city is transformed from a place of life to a hunting ground. Those who make noise are the first to die. As the day wears on, those who survive begin to understand. Sound is their enemy. Even the smallest noise can bring death. But staying silent is easier said than done. In a world built on noise, how do you adapt when every sound could be your last? Quiet Place. Day 1 doesn't just focus on one family or one city. It expands the universe, showing us how the invasion unfolds across the globe. The entire planet is forced into silence, and the rules of survival are rewritten. But as humanity falls into darkness, a glimmer of hope begins to shine through. The survivors learn to adapt. They create new ways to communicate, new ways to live without making a sound. But the cost of survival is high. But the tension never fades. In this new world, silence isn't just golden, it's the only way to stay alive. In the final scene, the girl sacrifices herself by hitting the car windows to make noise to distract the creature, allowing the boy to sprint toward the shoreline. As he dives into the icy sea, the creature hesitates at the edge, its roars fading as the boy swims to the waiting boat. Exhausted, he is pulled aboard as the first light of dawn breaks, leaving the creature and the horrors of the land behind. This is only the beginning. The fight isn't over, and the silence won't last forever. But for now, in this moment, they have survived. If you want more in-depth movie breakdowns and cinematic explorations, hit that subscribe button and join us as we dive into the stories that shape our world. And remember, stay quiet.